So what's going on, guys? Today I'm a little excited because I'm at work. That's not really why I'm excited, but while I was at work, this box of wheels just showed up. So now my car is gonna have some rims for it. So what I want to do is just do a quick unboxing, show what you buy, what you get with a Luxor wheel package. Now, I bought the 13x7 100 spokes. I bought the upgraded adapters where you can like thread the bolt through and it locks it so the spinner can't back off. I got gold two-prong knockoffs, and that was it. So it's basically all chrome gold spinners. So the first box came in 4 wheel boxes and then 2 smaller boxes. All 4 of the chips are in here, it looks like. I just got white chips. I'm not even sure what I'm going to put on there. So I figured it comes with something, so. Everything's pretty well packaged. Each box is actually individually packaged itself with styrofoam, which is kind of cool. This is LW 200, whatever that means. Uh-oh. These are supposed to be gold. For some reason they sent me chrome ones. So I'm gonna have to give them a call on that. These kind of look like Zenith spinners or so to me, but they don't come apart. Like this is all one piece. On some of the other wheels you can change this ring. These I don't think so. Maybe you can. This top piece might come off. I don't know, I'll have to look at it actually. Tool right here. Let me try to pop it off. They sent me the wrong spinners anyway, so at this point it don't matter. Yeah, this is just a cap on top of the spinner. It's just a cover. You can change out these screws, these Allens, and then they pass through into the adapter. So let me just kind of stick this back together. All right, so I'm just gonna assume that all the spinners are chrome. Maybe I shouldn't. Let me see. Maybe they sent one chrome one. I'm gonna put this back. Chrome. Let's try a random. It's chrome as well, so they sent the wrong spinners. Oh well. We'll have have to call them and see what the story is with that. All right, so box number 2. Oh, here's the, assuming there's a longer hex. There's a hammer. These must be the longer hex bolts for the spinners. The hammer is kind of like a little baby hammer. You probably put them on and take them off once and they'll be done. Alright, so these are all packaged in foam. As you can see, they're just regular knockoffs. They have this extra ring built in, so that once you put the spinner on, you could screw one of them all the way through and lock it so that it won't, you know, essentially it won't come undone, is what I'm hoping. So there's 4 adapters, the hammer, package of screws, no gold spinners in there. Alright. So you can see these bad boys up close. Just a piece of plastic on there. So let's open another one. I mean, the chrome looks pretty decent on them. They're not like Dayton chrome, but hell, it'll be fine. Here they are all unboxed. What I'm going to do is I'll do a separate video showing those adapters and how they work. But if this video helped you, please like and subscribe, and I'll be uploading a video once I get these tires mounted on there so we can see what they look like. All right, later.